KJ fam, it's your boy Kel back with another video. Today is Vlogmas Day 15. In today's video, I'm going to prank Josh again. I'm going to say that Dior is missing from daycare. Alright, so the plot is, I'm tell her that I went to go pick him up from daycare, but they told me her friend went to go get him, and I didn't have no idea. But Dior is right here, so when I get in the house, I know she probably already in the room or something watching TV. So when I get in the house, I'ma hide here real quick. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn those post notifications. This is about to be hilarious because Dior is her baby. Like, she probably finna go insane. Be back in a minute. Alright guys, so we about to walk in the house. Dior, I need you to do good. Don't make a sound, okay? Let's go prank your mom. Be back short. I found a hiding space for him. Dior, I need you to do me a favor, okay? I need you to be good. Do not make a sound. Do not pee or do the number 2 in here, please. I'll be back shortly. Just stay, okay? Be back. This is a good spot. Alright you guys, so I'm hiding the camera. I'm trying to find the perfect hiding spot. I got this leaf right here, so she won't see it. Can y'all see? I got this plant right here so she can't see it. Y'all hang tight. Let's get into the video. Babe! Babe! Come here. Babe! What you doing?
I was dozing off.
Huh?
I was dozing off.
You sleep?
What do you want?
I just went over to the daycare to go pick him up. They said your friend came and got him.
What friend? I don't have no friend that picks up Dior from daycare.
They just told me your friend came and got him.
I told
the one
him,
from before.
No. Because ain't nobody never picked up Dior. She's dropped him off, but she's never, what?
I just went up there and Dior is not there. They don't have his collar or leash or nothing.
They ain't gave my dog to somebody else?
Yes, they said you gave somebody permission to go pick him up.
That don't even sound, what? That don't even sound right, what?
I went to go pick
I'm about
up
to call
Dior.
them, no. Because I know they ain't gave my dog to somebody else.
They said you let them do it.
I didn't let them. They must got me confused with somebody else today, because I'm about to call them. They got me messed up. No.
What?
They got me messed up.
So you didn't give them permission to go pick him up?
No.
Stop
I
playing.
don't care about my child. Like, don't do that. No.
Stop playing.
I'm not.
You for real?
I'm dead ass serious. Like, no. Why would I let somebody else? What? No. Because I knew I wasn't going that way next. I had to come to the house. I wasn't feeling good. So that's why I told you to pick him up today.
But they said
they
your
know I
friend
pick
came
him
and
up
got
every
him.
day. Ain't no friend that's picking him up. That don't even make sense. No. No, I'm about to call him.
Man, see? That's why you need to go pick him up all the time.
It ain't no C. This don't blame me. It ain't my fault.
You usually go pick him up.
That don't mean it's my fault. You don't give my child to somebody else.
I ain't do it. They did it.
That's what I'm talking about. Them. Don't give my child to somebody else without my permission. They must got me confused with somebody else.
They couldn't have. Call your friend first to see if they got it.
No, cause why did I call her and I didn't tell her?
Man, come on, man. You tripping.
No. You don't know. What's the name of the place?
River Park. Hurry up.
I gotta type this, ain't got their number saved to my phone.
Why you don't have your number saved to the baby boy daycare?
Because I just don't. I always forget to save it. What?
Man.
Do you have it saved? You trying to pick an argument with me because let me call these people.
I can't. Hold on. You asking what you
Okay.
at? I think he home.
All right.
You calling them real? Okay, just a prank. Just a prank.
It's not a prank.
It is a prank. Hold on, I'm gonna kill him.
Because I don't even see no camera, first of all. So what are you talking about? It's a prank.
I'm gonna show you.
And what the camera at anyway? It ain't in the freaking study. You know, I don't play about my child. Hi, Pootie. Come here. You really got the camera right here? For real?
You see it? Gotcha. Joke's on you.
Give me my child. Hey,
No.
Poo.
Nope.
He wants me. Give him to me.
Nope.
Mommy got to cut a fool about you. Don't do that. Do not do that. Pootie, I'm finna call him. They was gonna be like, don't even bring him back no more. I was finna cuss them out.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, Pooh, Mommy.
See, I had to call the prank short because she was about to cuss them people out.
I was like, I don't play about him. Like, no. Y'all see how cute this face is? This is my child. I don't play about him. Yeah, right. Pooh, I missed
We hope you guys enjoyed the prank. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up.
But you don't do nice pranks on me.
Yes, I do.
I got you though. It's okay. Go ahead and comment Team Cam.
Give it a thumbs up and comment Team Cam. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn those post notifications. I love you, babe.
I love you too.
You mad at me?
I ain't mad. I'm too glad you got my child.
She ain't mad at me.
I was about to go bananas.
Alright.
I love you.
I
I hope you you. Give your daddy a kiss.
You go on me. Let's go back to work.
We'll see y'all in the next video.